Friends, this is the exit gate of domestic terminal. When you land in Nur Sultan Airport in Astana, you will come out of this gate and through these doors you go out. To go to Nur Sultan city, you exit through this gate. That is one option. And if you want to go to international terminal, which is connected, you can go from inside only. In my another video, I have told you how to go out and go from outside. But in this video, I am going to tell you how to go from inside. So as soon as you come out, you will see this thing. You go right. And here this gate is here. From here you can head towards the international terminal. International flights you can read here. Near this entrance gate here you can buy a SIM card, and there are some ATM machines as well where you can withdraw the cash. Terminal 1. Okay, there is a passageway here specially created for this connection from domestic to the international terminal. Now we walk all the way from here. You can see outside, there is the parking area. You keep walking through this corridor and you come to this point. And you are now at the international terminal check-in area. If your airline is Astana, you go straight there, that corner. There is a counter for Air Astana, the national carrier of Kazakhstan. You have a coffee shop here. You can see a coffee shop here. And you have entrances from here also. If you come from outside, you can come from these gates. NQZ is the international airport code for Nur Sultan Nazarbayev Airport. On the screen you can see the flight status of your flights. You can issue your boarding passes on these kiosks here. So here you can see Air Astana counters are here. This is the international terminal. This is the check-in area for the non-Air Astana flights, and this is for Air Astana. Once you're done with your check-in, you can proceed through these gates. Take this escalator, and after clearing security and immigration, you are in the boarding area. If you have spare time before boarding the flight, you can visit the duty-free area of Nur Sultan Nazarbayev Airport, which is wonderful. If you have any questions about Kazakhstan travel, please do let us know in comments. We'll definitely get back to you. Or you can visit our website travelwithinfo.com for further information. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, share and like.